Is your Wi-Fi suddenly dropping, your webcam failing, or your audio completely dead? Don't buy a new PC yet. It's probably just a broken driver. Here is how to fix it in 30 seconds. Move your mouse to the bottom left of your screen. Right-click the Windows Start menu button to open the Power User Context menu. Look for the option labeled Device Manager and click it. The device manager lists every single piece of hardware inside your computer. Scan down through the text categories. You're looking for a small yellow exclamation triangle symbol next to any item. That icon is Windows explicitly telling you exactly which piece of hardware has a broken or missing driver. Once you identify the item with the yellow warning triangle, right-click directly on its name. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Update Driver. A new window will open asking how you want to search for the software. Click the first option, Search automatically for drivers. Windows will scour your computer and the internet to find, download, and install the correct file for you. Once the installation finishes, the yellow triangle icon will disappear from your device manager list. Restart your computer, finish applying the changes, and your hardware will be back up and running.